Imagine understanding how the world works and exactly how your business fits into it. What if you could see what's happening on the ground anywhere on the planet to make smarter business decisions? Every day, satellites, airplanes, and drones capture more data about our planet. From open scientific missions to private government constellations, the stream of imagery and observations is exploding. The challenge? Turning that flood of pixels into intelligence. Traditional approaches can't process endless data. You need AI for Earth to spot patterns, identify risks, and uncover opportunities. That's what Wherobots RasterFlow delivers. Connect instantly to Earth observations from open data catalogs, commercial vendors, or your own repositories. Clean and prepare your sources with just a few clicks or lines of code. Remove cloud cover and scale to match your area of interest for a seamless mosaic. Apply Earth AI models that meet your goals. Quickly evaluate Wherobots curated open models or onboard and run your own. Find and identify real-world features and how they're changing to reveal hidden insights. Once you have these predictions about the world, enrich them with additional ground truth, data from your catalog, or your organization's private repositories. Run from local to global scale and store results where you need them, in your own storage, ready to power the tools you already use. Then, join them with other business context in your data lakehouse, or embed them into applications, enterprise databases, or custom apps, all connected to the Wherobots Spatial Intelligence Cloud. Now your team can answer the big questions. What risks are emerging? Where is value being created or destroyed? What action should we take right now? With Wherobots RasterFlow, the future of Earth intelligence is in your hands. Get started today.